Hey there, question for you. What comes up when potential customers look for you online? Oh, you haven't Googled your business. Oh, you have. Oh, you're doing it right now. Whichever of those is true, let me share this fun fact. Bright Local, an SEO tracking platform, found 98% of consumers use the internet to research small businesses before purchasing from them. Hashtag facts. Just for funsies, here's an example. Let's say someone wants a greeting card with a cute corgi on it. Yeah, I just happen to have one of those. They Google cute corgi cards in my area, and that place with one reviewer who gave 2 stars could have really great corgi cards, but their online reputation certainly doesn't show it. So they lose a potential customer who chooses the place with multiple reviews and 4.5 stars. Bottom line, your brand's online reputation can really help or hurt your ability to grow leads, sales, even retain customers. So you need yourself some reputation management. Here's what it is. Reputation management is the act of managing public perceptions about a business. For small businesses focused on online marketing, that'll include things like social media management and tracking online reviews. How do you do that? Oh, there's ways. That came out creepy. If you've got a lot of time but little to no budget, DIY. Research areas to boost online presence. Regularly create testimonials and social posts and give one-on-one support for any bad reviews. If you've got little to no time but a nice big bung budget, work with a public relations firm. They're experts in improving businesses' reputations and can facilitate positive coverage and create web-based strategies for deflecting negativity found in a Google search. If you're between the two I've mentioned, with limited time to DIY but also don't want to spend the big bucks on a PR firm, level up with a reputation management tool. These services track reviews, social media, and let you compare your online reputation with competitors, all at a reasonable cost. Boom! That's how reputation management, no matter how it's executed, helps small businesses' online marketing. Want to learn more? Dive deeper via the blog link in our description and stay tuned for the next blog powered by Amazing Service. Until next time.
Regularly.
Regularly.